Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT via Binance Pay in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you sending USDT like a pro. With the latest updates in 2025, Binance has made this process even smoother and more secure, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the updated Binance app installed on your phone or computer. This ensures you get all the new features and enhanced security protocols. Once you're set, log in to your Binance account using two-factor authentication. It's crucial for protecting your assets. Step 1. Open the app and head to the Wallet section. Here, you'll find your assets listed. Step 2. Tap on Binance Pay to access the payment interface. It's designed to be intuitive, with quick access to popular cryptocurrencies like USDT. Next, Step 3. Select USDT from your available balances. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough. Step 4. Hit the Send button and enter the recipient's details. That's their Binance Pay ID, email, or phone number. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Input the amount of USDT you want to send. You might see an option for a memo or note. Add one if it's required for the recipient. Step 6. Review everything on the summary screen, including fees and exchange rates. 2025 updates have made this extra clear. Finally, Step 7. Confirm the transaction with your authentication method. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation notification. And that's it. You've successfully sent USDT via Binance Pay. A quick tip: always verify recipient details before sending, as crypto transactions are irreversible. If you run into any hiccups, check Binance's Help Center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.